Welcome back guys. And in my phone, if you are locking your phone like that, okay, or now if you are keep pressing power on again, the lock screen is changing every time new photo is coming. If you do not want to get your skin like that, then what will you do? Or if it is not coming in your phone and you want like that, then what will you do? I am going to cover in this video, so not wasting much of your time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So now we will go and solve it. We will go to the setting and then we will go always on and display, and here we will go glance for MI. This feature is known as glance for MI. If it is off, then let us see what will happen. I will lock it, and now nothing will come. Every time one screen will come. So now unlock it and turn it on. Now lock it, and now see, every time it will change. Every time it will change. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.